Cold by Chris Stapleton is going to be played in standard tuning, and then it's going to be based around basically bar chord positions, which I know are never fun. I've tried to think of a logical way to play this with a capo and still get the same tones as what Chris Stapleton is getting, but I'm almost certain that these are just all bar chords that he's playing. I could be proven wrong once there's a video of him playing this that surfaces, but until now, I think this is what I'm going to go with. So the first chord is going to be a C sharp minor. The way that gets played is I've got my ring finger on the 4-string 11th fret, and then my first finger barring the 9th fret of strings 3, 2, and 1. And you're just strumming from the 4th string to the 1 string. And the strumming pattern here will be a down, down, up for pretty much every chord. Down, down, up, then. So this next chord is a G sharp minor. The way that you want to play it is it's the same shape as a C sharp minor. We're just going to bring our ring finger down to the 4th string 6th fret, and then first finger barring the 4th fret of strings 3, 2, and 1. In this chord, the first time around, you can hear after the first strum down, you can hear him put his pinky finger down, or what I suspect is his pinky finger, down on the 2-string 7th fret. And then we're going to go, so the third chord of the song is going to be an F sharp minor. Same chord shape, but now our ring finger is on the 4-string 4th fret, and our first finger is barring the 2nd fret of strings 3, 2, and 1. I will say that sometimes between this G sharp minor and the F sharp minor, sometimes there's a little, that little hiccup note right there in the middle, which would be basically just the shape between those two that I just showed you. So imagine the G sharp minor, just walk that down 1 fret, and then 1 more fret, you've got the F sharp minor. Just like a quick pop up on that, that would be a G minor. So G sharp minor to the G minor to the F sharp minor. And then we're going to have an A chord. This A chord will become like an F shape. You've got your ring finger on the 5-string, you've got your ring finger on the 4-string 6th fret, your second finger on the 3-string, let me start that over. Your ring finger is going to be on the 4-string 7th fret. Your second finger will be on the 3-string 6th fret, and your first finger will be barring the 5th fret of strings 2 and 1. So you've got, on this one, you've got like a down, down, up, and then, so that was the A chord, and then you'll play a G sharp 7. So the way this last chord gets played is you would bar with your first finger across the 4th fret, ring finger down on the 5-string 6th fret. Your first finger bar is grabbing the 4th string on the 4th fret. Your second finger needs to go on the 3-string 5th fret. And your first finger bar is grabbing the 4th fret of strings 2 and 1. And really in this, I feel like you pretty much just hear the 4-string through the 1-string. But I just go ahead and just play the full bar in case I get a little sloppy with my strumming, because that's the underlying chord for that last chord before running back up to your C sharp minor, to the G sharp minor, to the G minor walk down, to the F sharp minor, to the A major, to the G sharp 7. And it repeats like that several times until we get to the bridge. Like that's the verse and the chorus progression. Whenever we get to the bridge, it's going to be a version of an A chord is what it sounds like. The way I'm playing it is an open 5-string, and then first finger barring the 2nd fret of strings 4, 3, and 2. And honestly, in this chord, you can also hear the 1-string 2 fret ringing out, which I don't think that's on purpose. that string is ringing out, but I think he's just barring just a straight bar across the 2nd fret there with his 1st finger, and you can hear that note in there. Anyway, you've got an A chord to a B chord. So there are a couple of ways to play this 2nd chord of the bridge. You can play it like a bar chord. That would be 1st finger on the 5-string 2 fret, and then pinky finger or ring finger, whichever is easiest for you, barring the 4th fret of strings 4, 3, and 2. Or it might make sense to play it this way as well. So pinky or ring, something barring the 5-string 6th fret, and then 1st finger barring the 4th fret of strings 4, 3, and 2. So you've got the A chord to the B chord, either that one or that one. And then you've got a G sharp minor back into the B chord. So A chord to the B chord, to the G sharp, to the B chord, and then back to that A chord. And instead of going to a B the 2nd time of the bridge, it goes back to this G sharp 7. So first time through the bridge would be A, to a B chord, to a G minor, to a B, to an A, to the G7, or G sharp 7. I think I said G minor earlier, I meant G sharp minor. G sharp minor to the B, to the A, then to the G sharp 7. And then that's where the lead solo comes in, which would, surely he's just soloing in that C minor scale right there, which I've not figured out that solo, but those are the chords and the progression to Cold by Chris Stapleton. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.